On today's show, you won't see this. Oh, wait. Yes, you will.
Shock it again, you know.
All right, good idea.
Do we have any metric taps?
King Arthur. Nope.
Crap Julio.
Wow!
Look at that. That is beautiful.
A lot of those things, like low energy injuries, like people falling in the park, breaking a wrist, those will go to other hospitals. So we see a fair number of that, but we see the big injuries. We see people who had their leg crushed between two cars. We see people who get involved that get thrown from their bike at 80 miles an hour. That's the kind of stuff we take care of. So as the Level 1 Trauma Center for San Francisco County, we get about 95% of the trauma. So if someone's involved in a car accident, hit by a car, motorcycle injuries, they're almost always brought here. So I do most of that, putting people back together. It can be very busy. This summer's been very busy, a lot of motorcycle accidents. I'd say that's probably between people getting hit by cars and motorcyclists getting hit by cars, probably our biggest source of trauma. The first month that I had a motorcycle here, after I hadn't been riding for 5 years, had been a trauma surgeon for a while, and I was definitely nervous getting back on a bike.
The whole time we were trying to change spark plug wires, change coils, do all the inspections, rebuild the motors. It wasn't any of that stuff. It was the computer, and if I'd have gotten on the internet earlier, I would have saved myself a ton of aggravation. So now is the moment of truth. We are going to open this baby up, and then we're going to take this computer, put it into the motorcycle, and hopefully it's going to run.
The AMA race, we had that last week. I finished second. Rodney Fee was first. Shh, Christopher, shh. Can you come and get your son? Rodney Fee was first, I was second, and Roland Sands was third. And we had a great race. It was probably one of the best races I've ever had. It was a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun?
Yeah, I like racing. I don't like riding around, I like racing.
And I always try to sell it for what it's really worth, not more than it's worth, unlike some of our competitors. Yes, Bruno. To the back, Bruno. Oh! What's the most you'll give me? Let's try that.
Whoa.
Come on, come on. Don't hit me too cheap.
$15?
Oh, yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Right.
That'd be fine.
No refund!
that there's some place that they can come that's for all motorcycles, not just Harleys, not just Japanese, not just German, but all motorcycles are welcome here. And especially a lot of female motorcyclists hang out here.
Yeah, we're going to show some samples of some of the stuff we carry, some good stuff and some...
Hey Dave, it's my show, okay?
Oh.
So what are some of the strange accessories you got here?
Oh boy, should I show you? Is it, this isn't X-rated, is it?
Okay, let's cut the camera. And then you sell mini skirts for the girls. Is this for riding?
I think this is for after.
After riding? It's not speed rated?
No, it's not speed rated.
And finally, I think the DMV should just remind car drivers that motorcyclists have the same damn rights to use the road as they do. Because I'm tired as a motorcyclist of feeling like a second-class citizen. And I'm tired as a lawyer of hearing people think that they have more power because they have more steel. And that gives them a greater right to control that roadway at the expense of my brothers and sisters who ride motorcycles. Because when we get into court, they learn real quick that the people riding the bike had the exact same rights that they had when they were driving that piece of steel.